Good evening, students. Today we are going to see about crop production and management. Before that, last class we discussed about different types of crops, classification of crops, food, source of food, those things we learned. Today we are going to see about first step of crop production method. That is preparation of soil. Preparation of soil is nothing but it is a turning or loosening of soil. Turning or loosening of soil, which means we used in Tamil, உழுதல். நம்ம அந்த உழவு செய்கிறோம் இல்லையா, அந்த ப்ராசஸ் தான் வந்து டேர்னிங் ஆர் லூசனிங் ஆஃப் சாயில் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி சொல்கிறோம். In this turning or loosening of soil, it is the first step before growing a crop. One of the most tasks in the agriculture is the turning or loosening of soil. This turning or loosening of soil, which will help the microorganism growth in the soil. So this process is involved in the process of help the growth of microorganism and earthworm in the soil. Why the microorganism and earthworm is important in the crop production? Can you guess? Yes, earthworm is otherwise called farmer's friend. Why the earthworms are called farmer's friend? These earthworms and also microorganisms are present in the soil, which will, if you see in the farms, the earthworms move inside the soil, which will make the soil loosened. So it will loosen the soil and it will give the nutrient to the soil. So these microorganisms and earthworms are called farmer's friend. Not only that, the earthworms and some of the microorganisms decompose the dead plants and animals. Decomposed means dead plants and also the dead animals are present in the soil. We used in Tamil மக்குதல், அதாவது மண்ணோட மண்ணா வந்து இறந்த தாவரங்களும் இறந்த விலங்குகளும் வந்து பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா மண்ணோட மண்ணா மக்கிருது இல்லையா, அதை டிகம்போஸ்ட் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி சொல்கிறோம். ஸோ தீஸ் மைக்ரோஆர்கானிசம் அண்ட் earthworms decompose the dead plants and animals. So it will give the nutrient rich level in the soil and also it will increase the fertility of the soil. Soil contains minerals, water, air. So these nutrients are absorbed by the plants. So these plants are absorbed by the nutrients. The soil needs extra nutrients or soil needs more nutrients for the next cultivation process. So these turning or loosening of the soil process, which will give the nutrient to the soil. So this is the important process. It only gives the nutrient rich item into the soil. Few centimeter example, I will say one example. Few centimeter of the soil only involved in the growth of plants. Few centimeter of the top layer of the soil support the plant growth. So these turning or loosening process, which will give the nutrient rich soil to the topmost layer. So plants can use these nutrients for the preparation of the soil method. Next, fluffing. Fluffing is nothing but turning or loosening of soil. This fluffing method done by the fluff. Fluff is nothing but wood or iron. This is called fluff. This made by wood or iron is driven or drawn by a pair of pulls. This sharpened edge is called fluff share. It is an important one for the fluffing process. Next one, this is a long wooden like structure. It is called fluff shaft. There is a handle in one end. Another one is present on the bull's neck. So one pair of pulls and man can easily operate the fluff. In ancient days, in olden days, other animals like horses, camels are also involved in this fluffing process. It's the crumbs. Crumbs is nothing but big clumps present in the soil. So these type of clumps are present in the soil is otherwise called as crumbs. In the fluffing field may have many these kind of crumbs are called crumbs. It is necessary to break that before tilling process. Sometimes manures is also added to the soil because it will mixing the soil, and it will give the proper mixing of manure in the soil. It will give the nutrient rich soil. The soil is moistened before the sowing. நம்ம வந்து விதை விதைத்தல் அப்படிங்கிற ப்ராசஸ்க்கு முன்னாடி வந்து சாயில் வந்து ஈரப்பதமாக இருக்கணும் இல்லையா? ஸோ அதனால் if the soil is dry, water is necessary to fluffing, before fluffing method. So you must wet the soil before fluffing method. Okay, next பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னா manure அப்படின்னா it is a chemical substances. Manure is the natural substances it will get from cow dung and also some of the plants residues. So these manures is added before ploughing process. Next step, students, once again I recall this. First step is a preparation of the soil. It is a important step. It is always called as turning or loosening of soil. Turning or loosening of soil, which will makes the loosened soil. So some of the microorganisms and also earthworms, they also involved in the process of loosening of soil. Not only that, some of the dead plants and animals are decomposed by these microorganisms and also earthworm. Soil is a important one. Soil contains many minerals, water and air. These nutrients are absorbed by the plants. So soil need nutrients for the next cultivation process. So this turning or loosening process which will give the nutrient to the soil. So next one is the ploughing. Ploughing is done by the plough. Plough is made up of wood or iron. Next one is the crumbs. Some of the in ploughing time, some of the பிக் கிளம்ஸ், பெரிய பெரிய கட்டிகள் இருக்கும் இல்லையா? பெரிய பெரிய மண்ணில் உழுகிறப்ப பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா பெரிய பெரிய கட்டிகள் இருக்கும். ஸோ அந்த கட்டிகள் வந்து நம்ம வந்து கட்டிகளை தான் என்ன சொல்கிறோம்? க்ரம்ஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். தீஸ் பிக் கிளம்ஸ் ஆர் கால்ட் க்ரம்ஸ் which will breaks before the ploughing process. Next பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா sometimes manure also added before the ploughing method. So manure is a natural substances which will get from the cow dung and also in the some of the plant residues. Next showing methodல பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா எப்படி நம்ம showing process பண்ணுறதுக்கு முன்னாடி மண் வந்து ஈரப்பதமாக இருக்கணும். So if the soil is dry means you should wet the soil. Next பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா நம்ம showing அப்படின்னா விதை விதைத்தல். ஷோயிங் ப்ராசஸை பற்றி நெக்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸில் நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறோம். எந்த மாதிரியான ஷோயிங்ஸில் வந்து எந்த மாதிரியான மெத்தட் ஃபாலோ பண்ண போகிறோம், வாட் ஆர் த ஸ்டெப்ஸ் ஆர் இன்வால்வ் இன் த ப்ராசஸ் ஆஃப் ஷோயிங், how the seeds are selected. So those kind of items, those kind of steps we will follow in the next class. We will learn in the next class. Thank you. Now homework time, students. Now this is homework time for you. I will give the 5 2-mark question for you. Write the home test and submit in the WhatsApp. Thank you, students. We will meet in the next section. Thank you.